about is the burrito supreme. Have you had the burrito supreme at Taco Bell?
So here we go. I actually am a bean burrito. That's it. I do that at Taco Bell. And I do it pretty often. I've done it after even I've been.
And whatever. After March across your forehead and equalization, two different hands, holding it. One holds a steak knife, the other one holds a butter knife. You know what I mean?
Yeah. It kind of balanced me off. It feels like an equilibrium. Mind, body, and so science is for the mind. Comedy is for the body, and music is for the soul. So it's like a trichotomy. They're the exact same phenomena. So there's a number of different.
Dude.
Pathological compulsion is an abnormal, constant pursuit. Now, we understand.
Is that supposed to subdue somebody, or is that supposed to make you feel you're?
You remind me of the future, when the future was in its state of futuristic, just theory, ethereal, the future was in its state of futuristic, just theory, ethereal, cathartic.
The Logan's Run's future. Remember the Logan's Run future? Everybody's supposed.
Only the mind that exists.
So ambiguity means indecisiveness, uncertainty, triple or more interpretation, and in some syntactical context, vagueness.
Anymore, but in the beginning, he was.
Do you know about astrology?
Is it when, primitive caveman didn't have...
Which leads me to my first question. Do you mind if we just start with the questions?
The craziest thing I ever said in the elevator was, I farted. Nobody ever wants to own up. I owned up.
You are a juggernaut. You know what you are? You're...
I have 5 suede jackets and 4.
So I heard that you are also.
And things like vanishing point, perpendicular angle, diagonal angle, and how 3-dimensional depiction is illustrated on a 2-dimensional surface. So things like art and drawing and painting and music really gives you a deep...
Byproduct, let me explain. A byproduct is a... What do you just say? A butter sausage?
Byproduct. That means there's...
No, but